So let's put a remote start on this newer model Kia. First thing we need to do is get to the main ignition harness. So it's going to start by taking off some of the side panels, taking out these screws, taking out that knee bolster at the bottom and the shroud around the steering column. After all the screws are out, it's only held in by clips, so it comes off pretty easy. Next we have 5 10mm bolts taking out this metal bracket, and then we can go to the shroud around the steering column. That top piece is held in by clips, lift it up, and we have 2 Phillips head screws, one on each side. Once we remove those, then we can pull the steering column panels down. Now that 6-pin black plug is going to be our main ignition harness. So we're going to use our T harness so it makes it easy for the connections, and then we're going to do the same thing for the OBD2 port connections. Now we only have 3 wires to install. The multiplex wire is at the light switch in the back, so we want to do a military splice. We're going to poke the hole through the wire after we strip it, and then we want to make sure we solder it, insulate it, and then that one's going to be good to go. The last 2 wires are cam wires behind the fuse box. It's being held in by 3 10mm bolts, but we need our right angle tool to get to the 2 at the top. Once we get those 2 10mm nuts off the top, then we can pull it down, take out that white connector, and those are the CAN wires. Once all that hooked up, we can program by sticking the key in the ignition, turning it forward, it's going to blink, and then we're going to turn it off, and that's pretty much it. We're going to pair those remotes, and then we're going to test to make sure that everything works with the aftermarket and factory remotes, because we did enable 3-time lock. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Keep going, keep growing. Have a blessed day. Peace.